Jai Hind guys, today we will discuss important current affair of 17th July. If you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Recently, Prachand Shakti has been organized in Uttar Pradesh to showcase the military exercises of India and military equipments which are made indigenously in India. So Prachand Shakti organized in Uttar Pradesh. International Justice Day has been celebrated on 17 July. 17 July celebrated as International Justice Day. Its theme is accountability and respect for law. Its main aim is to provide criminal justice on internationally. India's first weather derivatives markets launched by National Commodity and Derivatives and Exchange. Its main aim is to provide contract to the farmers to unexpected change in weather. If the weather is unexpectedly changed, then the insurance will be provided by this initiative to secure the farmers' income. If the weather is not according to their crop, then this initiative will provide some compensation, which is helpful in generating income in unexpected season for the farmers. The spiritual summit has been organized in Varanasi, Uttarakhand. Its main aim is to protect youth from drugs. Its theme is Nasha Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat. Nasha Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat. Next question. My Deed project has been launched in Himachal Pradesh for the easy registration in the property. Second longest cable stayed bridge organized in Karnataka. Second longest cable stayed bridge built on the river Sharavati, and its name is Singhandur Bridge. It's about 2.44 kilometers. It's from Ambar Gudalu to Kalar Swali in Karnataka. Next question. First aqua tech park launched in Assam to provide training in techniques in aqua technology. Ungularan Stallion initiative launched in Tamil Nadu. Its main aim is to knowledge about the government scheme to the people. 2025 Summer FISU World University Championship will be launched in Rena Ruhr, Germany. Rena Ruhr, Germany will launch Summer FISU World University Championship. So, BIMSTEC Port Conclave inaugurated by Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal in Visakhapatnam. ठीक है, Visakhapatnam. So, if we talk about BIMSTEC is an initiative of Bay of Bengal initiative for multi-sectoral technical and economic cooperation. It was established on 6 August 1997 and its headquarters is in Dhaka, Bangladesh. It have countries Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand. Its first summit organized in Bangkok, Thailand, and its last summit organized in Sri Lanka. Its current chairperson is Bangladesh and its Secretary General is India. So we have talked about BIMSTEC and BIMSTEC Port Conclave will organize in Visakhapatnam. Now we will talk about the MCQ of 17 July. What new cross-border service did NPCI enable via UPI on July 17, 2025? That is cross-border UPI pay now remittance through 13 Indian banks. Next question. On 17 July, how many awards were presented at the National Swachh Sarvekshan 2024 to 2025 ceremony? That is 78 awards has been provided in Swachh Sarvekshan ceremony. Which major international meeting concluded on 17 July 2025 in Colombo under the International Solar Alliances? That is 7th Regional Committee meeting for Asia and Pacific for solar development strategies. So guys, we have completed important current affair of 17 July. If you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.